I love cheeseburgers, but not the carbs that go with it. So if you're like me, you're going to love my no-bun, low-carb cheeseburger salad.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So into a pan, over a high heat, I add olive oil, and then I add in my ground beef. Now, the ground beef has a 80-20 split to it. That is 80% beef and 20% fat. I season with salt and pepper, just like I would a burger, and just like a burger, I leave the ground beef to caramelize. I want the ground beef to have that burger texture, slightly crispy on the outside while staying juicy. I start to break it down, and then I add in tomato paste, along with crushed garlic and paprika. Mix everything well and then leave to cook through. This whole process should only take 5 to 7 minutes over that high heat. Next, I get onto the sauce. Into a bowl, add whole egg mayonnaise, along with yellow mustard, white vinegar, diced white onion, and season with salt and pepper. Mix everything together, and what you'll end up with is almost like a Big Mac sauce, but without the sugar. To serve, I heap the ground beef and add crispy cos lettuce. Now, the toppings, you can choose whatever you wish. I go with tomato, beetroot, which is my favourite, but it's probably an Australian thing to add beetroot to a burger. I add dill pickles and shaved sharp cheddar cheese. I dollop the sauce next to it and get stuck in. This salad is amazing and one you'll definitely win friends with. It's real simple to take to work as well, and if you're watching those carbs in your life, then this will be a real treat.